There's the rail.
Lockers. Put your luggage here.
I want to stay at the Hyatt near the Mall of America. It's really close and convenient towards the tram. It can bring you to the airport and to the Mall of America long-term parking. So let's go check out our room. So immediately when you walk in the room, you've got some space here for luggage, hang your clothes, the usual stuff in here if you want to put your shoes. Here is, got an ironing board, iron, which is a nice touch if you have to get your suit ironed, pants, and then there's the safe. Right around the corner, you got a little coffee station. It's like a, what are those called? Keurigs, ice bucket. So at least you can get like teas and coffee complimentary with your room if you don't have time to do it elsewhere. You just have to bring your own water. Down here's a little tiny fridge, but it's cold and it works. This particular room has 2 twin beds, which is fine. And let's see how they are. They seem adequate, you know, seem okay. Large center console here for like your remotes and your alarm, music, phone. There's 2 plugs, one on each side of the bed, and then you have your light controls. And you have an individual lamp that can be turned on and off from either side. This is a little writing pad that you can take notes or, you know, write down what you need to do for the next day. You've got your room controls. It's at 70 now, which is okay, I guess. Sometimes they can't be changed depending on policy that's programmed into them. Got a large 55-inch TV, I think. Could be 60-inch. Samsung. Got a chair, work table, another lamp. And then here's the view. You know, there's a bunch of places you can walk to, a couple coffee shops. So you got a couple options. You can get a sandwich and coffee in the morning. Of course, there's a restaurant downstairs, and I'll show you that restaurant. Right off the main entrance, there's the bathroom. Got like an LED ring light type thing here. Comes with, you know, bar soap, some cups for, you know, rinse your mouth, washcloths. Here's some body lotion and some Kleenex, cotton swabs, magnifying mirror, hand towels. You got a hair dryer. So it's pretty well equipped, you know, and you got a little alcove there for your bathroom. And then you got a regular tub and a shower, more body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. And everything looks pretty clean, so not too bad. So what do we pay for this room night? We used a free Hyatt cert. Depending on what card you have, your certs can range from category of hotel and what they'll apply to. And, you know, if you have a higher end card, you could get a more valuable cert ranging up to a higher category. I think this is a category 4, I think. So I have to double check, but your mileage may vary. So come on, let's go downstairs and we're gonna check out the bar area, the restaurant, and also the overall lobby area. If you go to floor 2, they have a club lounge access and then a fitness center and the pool. So let's see if we can get a peek at the pool. Bathrooms for changing. Got a gym in case you want to get some workout going, because, oh, look at this. They even have towels for the pool. Warm towels. Oh, that's cool. Bikes, free weights, treadmills. Not bad. Adequate. No one's in here. Get a look at the pool before. Pool hours are 6 a.m. until 10. It's a small pool area, limited seating, but there's no one in here. And it's chlorine, and it smells like it too. I think it's 3 feet 4 inches maximum, so not bad. There's a view of 33rd Avenue. They're now only open till Monday through Friday and Saturday and Sunday, 6 a.m. to 7 a.m.